So if you have a battery-powered gate opener, this is a cheapie off Amazon, purely solar batteries. This is my second set of batteries. I've had this for many years. These batteries are good. They're 12-volt batteries. They run in series, I think, right? So it creates 24 volts to the control board. Southern California, July, lots of fog, days on end. So I don't know if that should affect it, but it seems like it is, because I don't have enough juice to open the gates. So what I've done is I've rigged up this eBay plug-in 18-volt battery adapter. And what I did, and leave a comment in the comments here about if this is correct. I just tapped into the leads that come out of the 20-volt system, 24-volt system into the control panel. So I just came through, did a little wire tap. I'll plug this in, turn on the switch, and it works. It opens the gate, no problem. But the last battery I put in here, it killed the battery somehow. So I think what I'm doing is wrong. I think I need to come out of the 24-volt system. I don't know though, because then if I go into this and come out of this, now we're adding another 18 volts, which I don't know if I need to do that, if I should do that. But somehow, whatever I'm doing, is working, so I'm gonna stick to it. And so I got a little bit of juice, but not enough. And that's only started since this is my second take on this video, and this is all I'm going to do. I'm a one-take wonder. It has gotten some juice in it already, so I'm going to go ahead and put a battery in there, and we'll see how this opens. So I got just a 4 amp hour battery. Plug that in. It is on, and I'm going to go ahead and hit double, and they have to close because they did partially open. Okay, so it is opening. And that's no problem opening. So that tells me that I have a weak 24-volt system, maybe 20, plus another 18, and we're rocking and rolling. But let's see what this says. Oh, it says EO1, so that means low battery. So it works a lot. But now I've realized, since I think I fried a battery, is to turn this off. And I'll pull this out, and I'll go about my day. And by the time I get home, I can use the system normally. But these cloudy days, multiple days in a row, it seems that I am not making enough juice from here. I might have a problem with this. Maybe I should check this connection that's charging the batteries. So I'm going to pull this off and do a little experiment for later. I'm going to make sure this is, well, I don't need to make it available. I got plenty of them. But I'm going to close this up, and I'm going to go about my day, and I'm going to come home, and it will work. But tomorrow morning, it won't, if it's foggy again in the morning. So, if you have any ideas, guys, let me know. But that works really well. I hope it helps you out. It's got a 60 amp fuse or a 30 amp fuse in it, I think. But this is a great little setup. You can use this for all kinds of stuff. I've already used it for just tons of things. Just these little adapters that plug in to make anything battery operated from your Makita system. Anyway,